Introducing the ultimate electric water dispenser pump, your everyday hydration hero. 1. Compact foldable design. Neatly folds for easy carrying and stays clean. Simply unfold to turn on and enjoy automatic startup. 2. Smart LCD display. Track water output in real time with a sleek and user-friendly digital screen. 3. 2 pumping modes. Choose from 3 preset volumes, 200 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml, or switch to continuous flow, perfect for any need. 4. 2-in-1 versatility. Use it directly on a water bottle or set it up on any table, convenience redefined. 5. Safe healthy. Made from non-toxic, odor-free materials with a 304 stainless steel water outlet for pure, clean water every time. 6. Universal fit. Designed for bottled drinking water from 4.5 L to 18.9 L, covering all your hydration needs. 7. USB rechargeable power. With a 1200 mAh battery, enjoy up to 70 days of use or dispense, 8 full 18.9 L bottles on a single charge. Stay hydrated, stay hassle-free. Get your electric water dispenser pump today.